Hello, dear viewers. We have some incredibly exciting news to share with you today. This summer, astronomers and space enthusiasts from all around the world will be turning their eyes to the night sky. Why, you ask? Because we are on the brink of witnessing a rare nova explosion that will be visible to the naked eye. That's right, nestled in the constellation known as the Northern Crown, or Corona Borealis, a spectacular event is about to unfold. But it's not one of the 7 stars of the Northern Crown that has everyone buzzing. Instead, it's a dark spot among them where an impending nova event is poised to occur. It's a once-in-a-lifetime event that will create a lot of new astronomers out there, says Dr. Rebekah Hounsell, a research scientist specializing in nova events at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. It'll give young people a cosmic event they can observe for themselves, ask their own questions, and collect their own data. It's going to fuel the next generation of scientists. T Coronae Borealis, or TCRB as astronomers call it, is a binary star system located about 3,000 light-years from Earth. It consists of a white dwarf and an ancient red giant. The white dwarf is an Earth-sized remnant of a dead star, while the red giant is slowly being stripped of its hydrogen by the powerful gravitational pull of its neighbor. This hydrogen accumulates on the surface of the white dwarf until it triggers a thermonuclear explosion. A nova. Now, let's dive deeper into what makes this event so special. A nova is not to be confused with a supernova, which is a much more catastrophic event that results in the destruction of a star. In a nova, the white dwarf remains intact, and the accumulated material is blasted into space in a brilliant flash of light. This cycle of accumulation and explosion can continue for tens or even hundreds of thousands of years. The first recorded sighting of this nova was over 800 years ago, in 1217, by a German abbot named Burchard of Erzberg. Imagine the awe and wonder of seeing a star suddenly brighten in the night sky. The last time it was visible from Earth was in 1946. Given the patterns observed over the past decade, researchers are predicting that we could see this nova as early as September 2024. So, how can you spot this amazing event? Look for the Northern Crown, a horseshoe-shaped constellation west of Hercules, the 2 brightest stars in the Northern Hemisphere. Arcturus and Vega will guide you there. Draw a line between these stars, and it will lead you right to Corona Borealis. For the best viewing experience, find a location away from city lights. Use a star chart or an app to help you locate the constellation. The nova's outburst will be brief, visible to the naked eye for just under a week. But oh, what a sight it will be. Dr. Elizabeth Hayes, chief of the Astroparticle Physics Laboratory at NASA Goddard, adds, "Part of the fun in preparing to observe the event is seeing the enthusiasm among amateur stargazers. Their passion for extreme space phenomena has sustained a long and rewarding partnership with NASA. NASA's Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope, along with other missions like the James Webb Space Telescope, Neil Gehrels Swift Observatory, XPE, Imaging X-ray Polarimetry Explorer, NuSTAR, Nuclear Spectroscopic Telescope Array, NICER, Neutron Star Interior Composition Explorer, and the European Space Agency's Integral, International Gamma Ray Astrophysics Laboratory, will be ready to capture this extraordinary event. The data collected will provide unprecedented insights into the structure and dynamics of recurring stellar explosions. Numerous ground-based radio telescopes and optical imagers, including the National Radio Astronomy Observatory's Very Large Array in New Mexico, will also take part. Collectively, the various telescopes and instruments will capture data across the visible and non-visible light spectrum. This coordinated scientific effort promises to shed new light on the intricate processes that drive these cosmic phenomena. We'll observe the nova event at its peak and through its decline, as the visible energy of the outburst fades, Hounsell says. But it's equally critical to obtain data during the early rise to eruption. So the data collected by those avid citizen scientists on the lookout, now for the nova, will contribute dramatically to our findings. For astrophysics researchers, that promises a rare opportunity to shed new light on the structure and dynamics of recurring stellar explosions like this one. Typically, nova events are so faint and far away that it's hard to clearly identify where the erupting energy is concentrated, Hayes says. This one will be really close, with a lot of eyes on it, studying the various wavelengths and hopefully giving us data to start unlocking the structure and specific processes involved. We can't wait to get the full picture of what's going on. Some of those eyes will be very new. Gamma-ray imagers didn't exist the last time TCRB erupted in 1946, and EXPE's polarization capability, which identifies the organization and alignment of electromagnetic waves to determine the structure and internal processes of high-energy phenomena, is also a brand new tool in X-ray astronomy. Combining their data could offer unprecedented insight into the life cycles of binary systems and the waning but powerful stellar processes that fuel them. Now, we want to hear from you. Are you excited about this upcoming nova event? Will you be looking up at the skies this September? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss how we can make the most of this rare opportunity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing space updates. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about upcoming celestial events, groundbreaking discoveries, and fascinating facts about our universe. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications every time we upload new content. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the wonder of the cosmos far and wide. Have any questions or thoughts about the nova explosion or any other space phenomena? Leave a comment below. We love hearing from you, and we'll do our best to answer your questions and engage in meaningful discussions. Follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes content, quick updates, and stunning images from space. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, so join our growing community of space enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and remember, the universe is vast and full of wonders. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and never stop exploring.